this video, I will guide you on how to use the filter option effectively in the physical stock updation screen. In the menu search option, type physical stock updates and press enter. Here, choose the physical stock updates and click enter again. In this physical stock updation window, you can see the filter option, the F5 key. It helps you to filter the items stock wise, distributor wise, manufacturer wise, and so on. You can also filter category wise. Now in this filter by window, if you want to filter stock wise, click on stock, press delete and click enter. You can see the stock type. You can choose either of these. If you want to choose show all stock option, all the items with the existing stock will be listed and you can enter the physical stock present and then update. Similarly, if you click show only negative stock, it will list all the items with the negative stock, so you can enter the present physical stock and then save it and update your stock. The same gets applied for the zero stock items as well. It will list you all the items with the zero stock, so that it will be easy for you to update with the current stock. Now, for an example, let me choose negative stock. Click enter. Now, click OK again. You can also use multiple filters here to filter the items with the respective options. Click OK. Now, all the items with the negative stock will get listed out here. Wait until all the items get loaded. Now, here all the items with the negative stock is been loaded. You can just click backspace and enter the physical stock present for the item and use down arrow to keep entering stocks for all the items at once. Similarly, you can update for all the items here and click save. Remember, we have updated the stock and clicked only on save option. Now, after saving, you need to press update stock function key so that it affects your inventory. Unless you press update stock key, there will be no changes in the current inventory that you are using. So only if you update stock now, the changes that you made will get reflected. Click on update stock. Click yes. Now the stock is getting updated for the items Now the stock is been updated. Click OK. This is how you can use the filter option effectively and update the stocks at one go.